A 1 million token is an ERC20 token that has a limited supply of 1 million tokens. It can be used as a utility token to pay for advertising services and can be traded on decentralized and centralized exchanges.
Feel uninvited.
Basically, the 1 million token was created using the strength of the Ethereum blockchain, which is currently under development to scale to Ethereum 2.0, allowing the 1 million token a solid network to operate on. Among the design goals for the Ethereum 2.0 are decentralization for the laptop users, and the network remains live through this transition, improved security, simplicity, and longevity. 1 million token will therefore remain the stable during the upgrading of the Ethereum to Ethereum 2.0 and will profit from its new features. Now the best thing which I love the most in this token, 1 million token 1MT, is basically that you can pay with 1MT token and you can hire the people on the People Per Hour website. It's a huge website, we all knew about this one website, and you can hire the people with the help of 1MT token, and you can send this the token to anyone, and you can use this token as a utility for your daily use, and especially for the online use you can utilize this token because it's a huge token with minimum supply 1 million token only, and nothing is going to add in the whole supply. And right now this token is also available on some good exchanges like Windex exchange, Unnamed exchange, and also on the Uniswap, Byrake exchange, so you can easily purchase the token directly from these exchanges. So it's the best thing about this token is this, that right now you have the chance to utilize this token on the People Per Hour every day, and you can hire the people from this website directly with 1MT token, and also you can follow them on all the social media like Facebook, Twitter, GitHub, and also on Bitcoin Talk. And here you can see the Twitter main page of the 1 million token. Kindly follow them because here every day the team is announcing a new features of the 1MT token. So definitely that will be a huge thing, and the team is entirely active and they are working on the 1MT token, and they are basically finding and they are adding new features in 1 million token every day. It is also available on the CoinGecko, so you can check the entire data on the CoinGecko of 1MT token. The 1 million token community has been growing steadily with 5,000 plus members. 1 million token has 2 Discord main servers where the community actively participates in the project by discussing the future developments as well as being rewarded by Discord token reigns and games. These Discord reigns are tips given to the people who successfully finish small tasks, bounties, or mini games. Basically, the team is giving away the tokens every day. They are not afraid of any type of dump because because the team is not the new one. They are working in the crypto market from last 3 years minimum. So they knew all the ups and downs of the crypto. So definitely they will take this token entirely higher. I will also share my own price prediction at the end of the video, but it's the time to talk about something about you can say 1MT token, that either you have to buy it or not. Now the best phenomenon of the 1 million token is that it has only 1 million token supply, a great community services with 10% discount when using the 1MT, and new use cases every day. Now I will tell you something more features about the 1MT token. It is quick and easy. Secondly, the project 1MT have the new projects on the go with new uses for 1MT, and the great community. The main goal is the community, and at this time, as I told you, the team is obtaining new airdrops and bounties every day in their Discord, so you must have to join it. I will share the link of the Discord and also the website. As per my own price prediction, this token will reach up to $20 very soon, so it's your time to grab the opportunity. Thank you. At this time, there are 2 casinos where you can play with 1MT token, and I will share the both links in our Telegram group, so you can easily join that one, and you will also get the links in our description. Thanks a lot.